Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Snapchat to access your media on your device. Giving Snapchat access to your media files is essential for sharing and creating engaging content. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, which may vary depending on the device you're using. Look for Snapchat in the list of apps and select it. Once you've selected Snapchat, tap on Permissions. Within the Permissions menu, locate the option for Files and Media or Storage. Toggle the switch next to it to grant Snapchat the necessary access to your files. After enabling access to files, make sure to select Allow Access to Media to empower Snapchat to interact with your media effectively. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure that Snapchat has the required permissions to access your media seamlessly. This will enhance your Snapchat experience and enable you to share your media effortlessly with friends and followers. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in allowing Snapchat to access your media on your device. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to optimize your Snapchat usage.